Before we go ahead, I'm moving on my list. So this is done. New seats done. Seat belts are done. Done. Oh, spacers done. Lower the car and done. We are moving on though, and today we're gonna attack this one. Some people comment on my video that I don't show sunlight in my videos because of course I don't, because there's no sunlight. Look at that. There's no sunlight. You know what I'm saying? There's no. It's like we're gonna be in Christmas and it's still gonna be cold. But anyway, we're gonna work on the VA.S.E. Let me show you the rotors though. Power stop. Of course, we are upgrading those with Evolution pads, ceramic pads. I think that's the way to go. If you're wondering, it's exactly the same that I put on the back. And for the rotors, of course, we're gonna change the look of it, because if we don't change the look of it, doesn't make sense, right? So not only we're gonna get more power brake, but we're also gonna get a better look. That's the goal, just for comparison. That's what we're gonna do. New rotors, stock rotors, so it's gonna look way better. And I have an idea for the wheels, but we're gonna do that maybe next week, so we're gonna see. You know, you guys know that we lowered the car. Now, after driving for a little bit, settled a lot. So look, it's like almost one finger basically. Before I can put 2 fingers, but, and I noticed also when I was driving up on my driveway, there was quite a bit lower. Which is good though, we like it, right? Gonna need this. Of course, it's not gonna fit, so we need some help. I'll definitely paint the calipers red. I just didn't buy the stuff yet. I'm trying to figure out what to do with this Corvette letters. But I'll definitely paint, and it's gonna be red. 2 bolts here on the caliper. Then we need to move the bracket, and the rotor should come off. So I think it's a 15mm on top, a 15 on the bottom, and it should be off. Put this bucket here so we can put the caliper over here. There's a bolt here that you need to hold. You can use a plier, whatever is easier. There you go. Then the caliper should come out. It's very important to put the caliper over some surface because you don't put pressure on the brake lines, right? I don't have a brake bar, so we're gonna improvise. You can't blame me, I don't have a brake bar. My bad. If you wanna send one to me, I'm fine with. So one of the questions that I normally get is why I bought a B.A.S.E model. I would buy a Z6 or even a Grand Sport, but for budget reasons, of course, I went with the B.A.S.E. But on top of that, I was like, you know what? There we go. The calipers with the pads, and we're gonna replace all the hardware. I'm gonna clean everything. This is gonna be a pain. So back to what I was saying, I didn't buy the Z06, first of all, because budget. Second, because if I buy a Z06, I would probably still put a lot of money on top of it, like I'm doing here. It's not a lot of money, but it's money. And then my thought was, okay, I'll get a B.A.S.E model, which is still a great car, it's still a lot of power. So I get used to the car, I can do my own stuff with no regrets, if you know what I'm saying. I can make mistakes, I can learn, and I still gonna save money, and I'm gonna make the car my own. Of course, the Z06 is a nice car. If I had the money, I probably would buy the ZR1, the C6 ZR1. I don't know though, maybe because that's a C7 range. So it's hard to say, but the reason why I bought a base, it's mainly because budget, but also because I can do all the mods and still be under the price of a Z06 Grand Sport. The Grand Sport, the cheapest one you're gonna find is 29, 30,000. I paid C17. I don't even put like 3 grand on this car. So I'm still under 20, you know what I'm saying? So we're good to go. Out of the old. Just to give you guys an idea, the comparison between the old one, the new one. Yeah, just the look of it, it's nice. And this one though, I think I can focus on it. See, there's a crack over here. So it's cracked. So was about time with the new. And here are the pads. It's not that bad. My old pad wasn't that bad. I just put the caliper back on, and for the pads, this one has a little kind of sensor that goes on the inside. Make sure to put that inside, and this one goes outside. So there's no secret. All right, now just torque to the specs, which is 129 pounds. You're gonna need this to, since I put a new pads, the pistons, they come out a little bit. So you need to tie them back to place. This is actually not the best tool to do this, because once you push one, the other one is going back, you know what I'm saying? So you just need to find the spot that it's gonna allow you to put this back on. There you go. The small bolts back, and that's it. That's pretty much it. And that's the reason why I bought the base. And some of you guys are gonna say, oh, but it's mainly about money. So yeah, it is. I'm not sure if I would put in my hands like I'm put on a C6 base on a 01. Probably not. But if I get the 01 now, I will probably do it because I know how to do it already. So a lot of people, they have different opinions on it. And the other day I was on the Corvette Facebook page, and a guy just posted like, hey, I have a C6 with 120,000 miles. Should have put it down and buy a C7. And I never reply to posts or comments on Facebook. But that one I did. And what I told him was, dude, if you have the cash, go for it. But don't take a loan. Simple like that. And if your car's pay off, enjoy it. Make as much as modification as you can with it. And enjoy it. Why are we gonna rush and take another loan, pay more money just to have a newer car? I mean, it's nice to have a nice car, a new car, but the C6 Corvette's not bad though. So you can do a bunch of stuff and you can enjoy it. And a lot of people say, no, go get a C7. It's a much better car. I agree though, but does that financially make sense for you? Because maybe it makes sense for whoever, you know, has a different situation. The thing is though, as a car guy, and you guys probably share the same experience, if you buy a car, you're never gonna keep stock. Even small modifications you're gonna do, I'm saying like, I don't know, a wrap, different wheels, tires. So you gotta consider those costs though. I was saying though, everything I'm doing here, I'm not even close of a Z06. As far as money goes, of course. We can put my beautiful space back on. I think we could go larger though. I don't know. We'll see. When I get the white body, there's no sense conversation about like wheel fitment. It's not gonna be an issue because I'm gonna get really negative offset. So the thing is gonna come here like my truck. You'll see, you'll see. Brakes are done. Wow, what a difference though. Let me see if I can put you guys outside. It's starting getting dark, but let's just put the car outside so it can settle down because it's so high right now. Job is done. Now we have matching rear rotors with the front. Look at that. Look how nice is that. Just it's a different beast though. Look at that. That changed a lot. Can only imagine if the calipers ready, it's gonna be gold. And what about those mirrors, huh? Dude, this car, it is coming a long way. I'm so happy with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's upload. It's a kind of a different because I figure everybody knows about it, how to change a rotor or a pad. So I was like, you know, I'm gonna show it and we're gonna talk a little bit about life. And life means why spend money in something that you cannot afford. That's my main message for you. I know a lot of people put expensive cars out there. I'm trying to be different and tell you that you can have fun with a little bit less money, but you're still gonna have a lot of fun. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this style. I hope to see you guys next upload. As always, thank you so much for watching. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.